Yo, what's up to all my homeboys and homegirls? We're getting crunk on this Thursday, yo. Ha. Anyway, just kidding. I don't even know what that means, really. But we're going to do it anyway. Here we go. Today we're going to jump right into it. We got a bunch of stuff coming up. We're going to jump right into the video. This is by Chills. 5 scary videos filmed by Doorbell camera. So this is scary because this stuff's real, man. This stuff scares me more than ghosts. Just crazy, whacked out living people. So this is going to be good. Speaking of Chills, check him out, subscribe. And he does like his own music. I just was watching it. It's not, I mean, no offense or anything to Chills. I think it's awesome that he does it. It's not the best in the world, but he makes his own music videos. And like, it's really cool. I think it's really cool that he'll put himself out there and do that. So well done. Good job, man. And hey, let's check it out. Let's make me a lot smaller. I'm melting. And make this bigger. Here we go.
Scary videos.
How would you like to have that at your door?
Volume 2.
Hey, Knuckles. Knuckles.
I don't know who the you are. I ain't shot at now. Please tell me.
I'm being shot at now?
This would-be intruder is trying to be subtle but failing miserably. His evil plot was foiled.
Oh, he's telling him he's being shot at, so they let him in?
Dude, are you serious?
He's about to cry now.
The guy claims he's being shot
Can't believe
at,
that
but the
didn't
homeowner
work.
Isn't having any of it.
What's wrong with you, man?
He looks so dejected, you almost feel bad for the guy.
Yeah, I don't feel bad for that guy. Not one bit.
Number 4.
This might be the best part, just seeing like what their plan was, like how they planned on getting in. Hey, yo, I'm being shot at, dude. Are you serious, man? They're shooting at me. Sir, I'm pretty sure if someone was shooting at you, we would hear gunshots outside. Think about it, dumb criminal. That ain't gonna work. Can't wait to see how the next guys go.
A man is apparently talking to himself outside a stranger's door.
With a machete.
Oh yeah, and he has a massive blade. You can't really hear what he's saying, but he appears to be speaking to someone.
That dude has no clue where he's at right
The guy
now.
stands there
Hammered.
for a moment longer before his demons drive him elsewhere.
Out of his mind.
Number 3.
That was it, huh?
This ring footage was filmed in Texarkana, Texas. The homeowner shares that this man regularly visits their house because he believes it belongs to someone he knows.
Y'all ain't gonna answer the door for the police, so that's very unusual out here.
Usually he causes a scene. In this particular instance, he went overboard.
Hello?
Unbelievable.
Get somewhere. What's that? I can't understand you.
Get off my doorstep.
What? Sir?
The homeowner isn't there, but he buzzes in. He's telling him to get off his property, but he refuses to leave.
How come every time I come up here, somebody dead for all this place, and I know the girl, this person that owns it, and I am the police.
I don't think you are,
She
sir.
lives in one of my apartments. Stacy Crawford owns this. I'm going to tell her.
You're gonna tell her. Stacy Crawford owns it. I'm gonna tell her. You know, it's very easy to see who owns a certain place, right? I mean, it's public information. You can look it up. This is great.
After his crazy rant, he starts to take his rage out on the camera.
Oh, what a douche.
Hi, camera.
When he can't destroy it by hand, he takes a boot to it. Number 2.
What a douche knocker.
These homeowners in
Oh,
Truckee,
that's
California had a
adorable.
very unusual visit in the
Baby
night.
bear. How do you not open up for that little guy?
10 p.m., they thought some pranksters were playing Ding Dong Ditch.
Man, that's
Maybe
hilarious.
they were.
No way,
After
Mama
getting up
Bear
close
was
and
first.
personal with the camera, the lead bear saunters off. Let's just hope there's nobody out walking in this community
Yeah,
right
right?
now.
Got
Number
mauled by a
one.
bear last night on my walk.
Early on a Saturday morning in Visalia, California, this homeowner received a Ring doorbell notification. A stranger was at his door.
Can I help you? What?
Say, can I talk to
The woman is clearly intoxicated.
Yeah, a little bit.
Who?
I said, can I talk to the person?
Can I talk to the property owner, please? Property
You got the
owner,
wrong address.
please? Can I talk to the property owner?
Like,
She starts hitting buttons.
weird. Want to talk to juvenile detention facility?
Then she hits a million buttons.
You have the wrong address, sorry.
Well, can you call them?
For a moment, it seems like she's given up.
Please?
Hey,
Like,
sir.
if I can push through the buttons? I don't give a
Oh my
This
gosh.
interaction keeps going.
How many dumb Saturday.
What is she even trying to do right now? She's not even looking at what she's pushing. She's...
She simply
The no
won't
look.
leave, and she insists she's at the correct address.
Oh man.
You can hear in his voice that he wants to go back to sleep.
Why?
You have the wrong address.
You.
Wrong address, go away.
No, that. It's where address.
Wow, she's clueless about what's going on right now. She has no
And
idea.
yet she continues to ring and smash his doorbell incessantly.
Say it like that.
What is happening? What would you do if this was your house? If someone did this to your door?
No good.
Like, I honestly don't know. I honestly don't know what I would do. I mean, I probably would have opened the door by now and been like, what do you want? But, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. What would you do?
What's that? You know something.
Your eyelashes are from the hood. Oh, burn!
Stop.
Stop.
So keep knocking, keep ringing, keep calling.
You have the wrong address, seriously.
A bitch.
Who are you? Who are you? Do you think she even knows what her intent is right now? Like, what is she... Does she even know what she's trying to do?
I'll break it. Watch.
You're gonna hurt your hand, stop.
Ah!
I'll break that shit.
It's surprising the camera has withstood the beating so far.
Watch me break.
She appears to be trying to pry it off.
She's gonna
After
just
making no
pass out pretty
progress,
soon.
She becomes increasingly aggressive.
What do you want? Oh boy.
She just won't stop.
Oh my gosh.
Open that.
I would be mocking her so bad.
Up.
I'd be like, you know, if you hit it a little bit harder, the door opens. Like, I would be all up in her grill, swimming around in her head. Please
She
don't
apparently
sleep on my
walks off at some
doorstep.
point, but returns.
Oh, great. Great, she's back. What is she knocking on?
Open up the house.
And this time she says it's her house.
Who are you looking for?
It's my house. What the
But it's not her house.
It sure isn't.
Hello?
Hello?
Go away.
This guy's way too nice.
The homeowner has the patience of a saint,
Yeah, I agree.
but even his is running short.
Unless you got the wrong house, seriously, go.
Oh, well, I jumped off my thing. It says my house.
At this point, she
Technical
starts
difficulties?
slamming her shoulder against the door.
Her shoulder? This is
Then she
great.
turns around and tries to kick it down with her foot.
Oh, yeah. Please fall.
Move that shit up in there. No, I fucking house up in the house.
She's still under the
Mahal?
illusion that this is her house.
This is the Wizard of Oz.
Is that you?
Don't look
The
behind
homeowner
the
is
curtain.
forced to call the police.
Irritating that dude.
Yeah, he is. This
And they
homeowner
arrive
is
10 minutes later
irritating.
and arrest her.
Can't believe he hasn't, like, made you a cup of coffee, brought you in, made up a bed for you, tucked you in. Such a
She
sweetheart.
welcomes them with open arms. It's not clear what she was charged with, but the homeowner is certainly grateful for some peace and quiet at last.
Wow. That's insane, man. I don't know what I would do if I had someone
This is
just
the
at my door doing
documented
that.
reality. Thank you to these individuals.
Chills, thank you, Chills. Check him out. Give him a subscribe. Give me a subscribe and like here. And we're going to do it again tomorrow, mañana. Peace out.